Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Tokyo Mobile Master. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the iPhone 13, a smartphone that launched in 2021 but still holds up incredibly well in 2024. Is it still worth buying? What are its best features? Let's find out. The iPhone 13 features a premium aluminum frame with a ceramic shield front for added durability. It has a glass back and supports MagSafe charging. Compared to the iPhone 12, the notch on the iPhone 13 is 20% smaller, giving you more screen space. It's also IP68 rated, meaning it can survive up to 6 meters underwater for 30 minutes. It comes in 6 stunning colors: midnight, starlight, blue, pink, green, and product red. The 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display delivers brighter colors, deeper blacks, and high contrast. It has a resolution of 2532 x 1170 pixels, supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision, and reaches 1200 nits peak brightness. However, unlike the Pro models, it's limited to a 60 Hz refresh rate, which some users might find disappointing. At the heart of the iPhone 13 is the A15 Bionic chip, a 6-core CPU with a 4-core GPU and a 16-core neural engine. This processor ensures buttery smooth performance for everyday tasks, gaming, and video editing. It handles apps with ease and will continue to receive iOS updates for years to come. Gaming performance is excellent, with no lag or frame drops in high-end titles like PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty, or Genshin Impact. The camera system features a dual 12-megapixel setup. The main sensor has an f1.6 aperture, capturing 47% more light than the iPhone 12, making low-light photos much better. The ultra-wide sensor offers a 120 degrees field of view for stunning landscape shots. Apple introduced cinematic mode, which creates a professional-looking depth effect in videos, automatically shifting focus between subjects. The front-facing 12-megapixels camera also supports night mode, Smart HDR4, and 4K Dolby Vision HDR recording. Whether you're vlogging or taking selfies, it delivers fantastic results. Battery life is a huge upgrade. The iPhone 13 lasts 1.5 hours longer than the iPhone 12. You can get up to 19 hours of video playback on a full charge. It supports 20W fast charging, MagSafe charging up to 15W, and 7.5W wireless Qi charging. With a 20W adapter, it charges 50% in about 30 minutes. The iPhone 13 also comes with 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, and dual SIM support with Nano SIM and eSIM. Face ID is still here, but Touch ID is missing, which some users may prefer. So, what are the pros and cons of the iPhone 13? The pros include a powerful A15 Bionic chip for long-term performance, excellent battery life, a bright, high-resolution OLED display, outstanding camera quality with cinematic mode, and durable ceramic shield with IP68 water resistance. On the downside, it lacks a 120 Hz refresh rate, still uses a Lightning port instead of USB-C, and doesn't have a telephoto lens for optical zoom. How does the iPhone 13 compare to other models? Compared to the iPhone 12, it has a longer battery life, smaller notch, and better cameras. If you're considering the iPhone 13 Pro, that model offers a 120 Hz ProMotion display, an extra telephoto camera, and a stainless steel frame. Now, let's talk about price and whether the iPhone 13 is worth buying in 2024. The price varies, but you can usually find it for $599 minus $699 new or even lower with discounts. If you want a reliable iPhone with great battery life, cameras, and performance, this is still a fantastic choice. However, if 120 Hz or a telephoto lens is a must-have for you, then consider the Pro models. So, is the iPhone 13 still worth it? Absolutely. If you don't need ProMotion or a telephoto camera, this phone still delivers an incredible experience. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews from Tokyo Mobile Master. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.